So today, we will be making Halloween treats that you can make at home. Peel it, peel, peel, peel. Ay! Ay! Daughter? Keia! So I'm a mom, a wife, a homemaker, a TV producer, an artist manager, and a content creator. So I love posting and creating contents about my family, travels, home organization, home makeover, DIYs, family and kids activities. So if you like watching this kinds of content, So if you like watching these kinds of content, please subscribe to our channel, Walk with Cham! Walk with Cham! Okay, so today, what are you making, Keia? So today, we will be making Halloween treats that you can make at home. Kasi di ba cancelled yung mga trick or treat natin sa mga village, sa mga malls, or sa office natin. So pero, may enjoy pa rin natin yung Halloween natin at the comfort of our own home by making this fun and easy Halloween treats with your kids. Tatlo yung gagawin natin treats. So first is the very easy na banana ghost. First is the banana ghost, second is the vampire donuts, and third is the monster cupcakes. Okay, so are you ready?
Yeah!
Yes! Okay, so first, for the banana ghost, you need bananas, chocolate chip, and knife. Okay, let's go! Keia, give me the banana. And then peel it off. Peel. Ipipil mo! Peel like that. Peel the banana. Okay. Peel it. Peel. Ay! Peel! Peel, ganyan. Can you do it? Okay, oh, do it here. Do it here. Eee, dirty. Wait. This is perfect. Yeah. Hindi mo ikakat. Wait. So, let's make another one. We get a banana. And then we cut it. Center. Sa center. Tapos, zigzag lang yung cutting. You put ice. So, chocolate chip siya. Okay, yan. Oh, you put this one. You put this one. Yan. You press. Oh, sige. Do it. Ito. Put ice. Ito na nga, put ice nga. Don't cry. You're in front of the camera. Oh, yan. Keia, put ice. Okay, no, Keia. Okay. Yan. Okay, very good. Keia made this. You made that banana ghost. Monster cupcakes. You like monster cupcakes? Okay, so for the monster cupcakes, you just need ready-to-eat cupcakes, eyeball candy, Halloween sprinkles, and ready-to-eat frosting. Ito, binili ko siya sa... Ano nga to? Okay. So ito, binili ko sa Lemon Square. Lemon Square siya, para hindi ka na mag-bake. So kailangan ko. And then this one also, I bought it, actually my husband bought it sa grocery. So it's a ready-to-eat frosting na siya. Perfect na perfect. So chocolate frosting yung flavor niya. I will ask Keia to put frosting on top. I will make, and then you kumain na siya. Oh, can you help mommy? Dali, put. Huwag ka kumain lang. Oh, go. Sige. Yes. Wow! Done! You ate na. Kinain mo na lahat ng chocolate chips. Keia, you can put eyeballs. No, this one. Hindi! Hindi mo kinakain. Favorite yung chocolate chip! Yan, sige. Minsan, you can put 1, you can put 2, you can put 3. So, it's so easy, no bake. So now, we will put the sprinkles. So my husband bought this sa All About Baking. Also the eyeballs. So, isa-sprinkle lang natin. We need the frosting kasi para dumikit siya. So, are you ready to sprinkle?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Let's do this. We're done na! Yay! Oh, put all of the finished cupcakes here. And then... Yay! O, diba? Sobrang easy peasy. So yes, we are done with the ones for cupcakes. Now, we will do the vampire donuts. Are you ready? What you need are plain flavored donuts, eyeball candy, Halloween vampire plastic fangs, and strawberry syrup.
Mommy.
Sabi mo na! Ito na! Wait! Come here! Hala! Ha? No. We will make donuts na. Mommy!
Donut! Bake donut! Like in the game, remember? In the game?
Yeah. Okay, we will make donuts. This is what we'll do. We will put the fangs inside. Next is for the fake blood. Oh yeah, go. You can put it. Yeah, hold it. You want?
Mix?
Mix.
Like in the game?
Vitamins na. Vitamins na kasi color red. Sabi na vitamins daw. Oh, put it here. Okay. Yay! Oh, show to the camera. Okay.
Wow!
So now we are done with the Halloween treats that you can make at home. Kinakain ni Keia chocolate treats. Okay, Keia, did you have fun? Yes! Okay, do you want to eat na? Yes! Okay, so... Say bye-bye to the camera and Happy Halloween! Say, Happy Halloween! 1, 2, 3! Happy Halloween! Paano daw? Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween! So till our next episode in Walk with Cham, please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye! Happy Halloween!